In this video, I'm going to present the step 2, create value from technological innovation. My name is Lady Joanna Cortez. Here you can see a comparison between the two software, Punto Software CNCSAS and InSoft Software Engineering. The technical description of the first one, it allows the management of the accounting information of a company. This module contains the set of utilities necessary for the management of sheets, newspapers, major and balances. It also allows in an effective way to manage all the movements as well as the elaboration of closures to annual justice. In the second software, it is an accounting in business software with broad functionalities applicable to different types of industry. It allows generating the accounting, legal, financial and tax reports required by law with multiple filter options and different printing qualities. It includes annexes and tax certificates. Includes comparative tables of financial statements for checking balances by months, years, companies, cost centers, business activities, among others. Then in the prices and payment terms, the first softwares, the price for private companies is 1,700,000, for public companies of 2,200,000 cash payment. In the second software, the main server license costs 1,720,000 and the additional clean license costs 440,000 cash payment. In the advantages and disadvantages, the first one, it is a consolidated company, provides telephone and remote support service, and they constantly generate updates to keep up with the norm. The second one, the software is downloaded to the computer, so it has an extra cost for updates that are done manually, and access to the information is only possible the PC that contains it. Does not allow connections from other computers. Also, it allows bank reconciliation to be carried out manually. It is integrated and does not require interface between modules. Allows connection to other external applications through the web service agent that the user has. And finally, it provides simple reports. The conclusion related to the relevance of cost to face the problem in the study, digital transformation in Colombian enterprises. With this study, we can conclude that the cost to face the digital transformation in companies can vary according to the needs of the company. But the constant is that they are high values, but that this investment is reflected in the advantages and benefits for the organization. Also, that with the market needs and constant technological update, it has become a necessity that brings success to the company. Thank you.